G'day folks, welcome to the show. For those that are new here, I'm Big Bert and welcome. For existing viewers, welcome back. Great to see you after what has seemed like the longest winter. Anyway, that's done. We're back on the bike, so grab a bevy, kick back and enjoy the show. We're planning on heading up the northwest coast today. I don't know what old mate's doing there. So let's go. On tonight's show, we're heading straight up the Bass Highway. I will not bore you with that ride, so I'll put it on the map here for you, and we will see you once we get to about Ulverstone, I reckon. Catch you then. So we've made it into the beautiful seaside town of Ulverstone. It's a cracking morning. I'm just going to slip quietly through, well, as quiet as you can on the Harley, and head straight through to the Coast Road, which I think is Penguin Road. So I'll put that down here if I'm not correct. So this used to be the old highway, if you can believe it. It used to run all the way through all the towns, and they put the bypass through. I've got the word, the good oil, that the train is just about to come down through here. Please don't ask. I have insider information. Oh, look here. Oh, it stopped. Oh, we're going to cup this perfectly. How good is this? Just caught the train going through, right on the coastline. Fantastic. Period. And Annie and I have got together to put a couple of routes together for my channel and for Hogs Cogs and 2 Aussie Flogs. Today you're enjoying the Three Sisters and Goat Island, which is a little stretch between Ulverstone and Penguin that follows the coast all the way along the shoreline, the road and the rail. Alrighty, and he's leading the way. This will be our first ride together. I might keep up with her. Little BMW. You could just drive backwards and forwards here all day long. Surely Annie's got reserved parking being mayor of the Penguin. As always, thank you for joining me and Annie today, and I'm going to get some fuel and start heading back home. I will see you all next time. Take care. Cheers. Let's go.